Want to create and share screen recordings, video messages, and tutorials with ease? Loom is one of the most popular video communication tools for professionals, educators, and content creators. In this guide, I'll show you how to create a Loom account in 2026. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Loom website. Once the homepage loads, look for the Sign Up or Get Started button. Click the Sign Up button to begin creating your account. Loom may offer multiple registration methods, including email and third-party sign-in options. Provide your email address and create a password if you're using email registration. If you're signing up through another service, follow the prompts to authorize access. After signing up, Loom may send a verification email. Open your inbox and click the verification link to activate your account. If you don't see the message, check your spam or promotions folder. Once your account is verified, sign in and complete your profile. You can add your name, profile picture, and any other optional information. Depending on how you plan to use Loom, you may be prompted to install the desktop application or browser extension. This can make recording and sharing videos even more convenient. Now you're ready to start recording. Open Loom, click the new recording button, and explore the available recording options. And that's how to create a Loom account in 2026. Once your account is set up, you can start creating videos, sharing presentations, and communicating more effectively with your audience. So go ahead and create your first recording. Thanks for watching.